Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix message notification not working on Realme 16. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management and search SIM. After search SIM, click on storage usage if you want to fix this problem. So clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app. Scroll down and click on display. After click on display and brightness, click on schedule and turn off schedule. After turn off schedule and click on eye comfort and sleep and turn off sleep mode. After turn off sleep mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on sound and vibration and click on do not disturb. If you want to fix this problem, so turn off do not disturb. After turn off do not disturb, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is reset all settings. Click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update and click on backup and reset and click on reset phone. If you want to fix this problem, so click on reset all settings, enter phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix message notification not working on Realme 16. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.